How to log into your Spectrum account. So today I'm going to show you how to log into your Spectrum account on a web browser. So make sure you open a web browser you have available. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this video. So once you're on your web browser, search for Spectrum login right here at the search bar. And once you enter Spectrum login, the very first link that pops up is the official website of Spectrum. So you just click on it. And once you've opened your website, here you can see there is a sign in button right here. Or if you are a new user, you can create an account from here. If you already have an account, you can just click on sign in. This will take you to another sign-in portal where you enter your username and your password. So again, if you don't have an account, you just click here to create an account. So if you already have an account, you just enter your username right here and your password right here. And to view your password, simply click on this eye icon here. And for some reason, if you forgot your username and password, you can recover it by clicking here. This will send you a reset link on your email or your phone number, so you can recover it from this link. And if you can't log in for some reason, then make sure to double check that your username and your passwords are correct. And finally, if you check on this box, and once you sign in, you won't have to sign in again and again after you've signed in once. So if you don't want the hassle to sign in every time you log in, you just check this box. And that's how you can easily log into your Spectrum account. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.